How to clear Revolut assessment. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will download and open Revolut. Make sure you have the latest app version installed. You will then begin the assessment. Revolut may ask for this during sign-up or when unlocking certain features. The third step will be providing ID details. You want to have your passport, driver's license, or national ID ready. And the fourth step will be taking clear photos. You want to snap the front and back of your ID plus a selfie for verification. Make sure you have good lighting because that helps with faster approval. Answer financial questions. You'll be asked about your income, employment, source of funds, and intended use of Revolut, such as saving, spending, or investing. Be truthful. Honest answers equal smooth approval. Don't overcomplicate, just keep it clear. Wait for review. Revolut will check your details, usually within minutes, but sometimes hours or days if more checks are needed. You will then get confirmation. You'll get a notification when the assessment is cleared, and you can unlock features such as adding money, spending abroad, using crypto or stocks, and upgrading to premium. If you get those features, you've successfully passed the Revolut assessment and can use the app freely. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.